Practice question 4. A. Choice from the choices in the box to estimate the length of time each of these activities would take. Actually, this is also depends on thinking, mood, or environment. One clap can be, here is some option like 1 hour, 1 minute, less than 1 minute, more than 1 minute. So it's a very simple thing. It's need less than 1 minute, right? Next, walk around your classroom. Walk around our classroom, it should need more than 1 minute. More than 1 minute. Stamp your feet. It's less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute. Blink your eyes. This is also less than 1 minute. Next, math lesson. Math lesson, it's depend. It's lots of math. It should be more than 1 minute, but if lots of exercise, it need around 1 hour. We can say this one is a 1 hour, right? Next, travel to school. Travel to school, it should be 1 minute because 1 hour school to a house, it's a long distance. So we think this one is a more than 1 minute. Can be 5 minutes, can be 15 minutes, right? So more than 1 minute. Get dressed, it also more than 1 minute. More than 1 minute. And finally, eat your breakfast. A breakfast, actually more than 1 minute, it's a silly matter. It should mention more than 10 minutes, more than 15 minutes. Anyway, this is also more than 1 minute, right? Next, what would take you more than an hour to do? Lots of things. We can say, suppose doing homework, also watching movie, next we can say playing a football match, okay. So question 4b done. Now 5. Question 5 is very interesting. Here mention, I was born in April 1999. My sister was born in March 96. My brother was born in 2007. Now question is, all of our birth dates are 26. It means my, we can mention like my 26 April 1999. Next, my sister again 26. Sister was born in March, right? March 1996. And finally, brother 2007. My brother was born in 2007, but not mentioned when. I was born in 1919. My sister was born in March 1996. My brother was born in 2007, but 26, but not mention which month. So first we can mention like this, how many days and month apart are they? So first we have to compare me and sister. So me 1999 and sister 1996. So first 1996 March, so March to March it's a 1 year, and here is a April. That means what happened 1996 and 1999. So it will be 1 year 1 month. Okay, next we can compare me and brother. So let's say he was born in 2007, 26 April. Okay, we can consider April. So 2007, and same month also me April, so 1999. So it will be 8 year. Okay, and if you born in March, so it will be, it's considered April, but if March, then 7 year 11 month. Okay, it's considered March because brother has not mentioned the month. Number 3, it means sister and brother. Sister and brother. So sister 1996 and brother 2007. So how many? 7, here is a 4 and 7, it means 11 year. Okay, so consider once sister born in March, and we consider also brother in March, so it will be 11 year. Number B, my brother was born 9 days after me. When was he born? 9 days after me. So what does mean? I was born in 26 April 1999. Okay, so plus it will be 9 days. Now look, 26 and April has 1 2 3 4, it means 30. So 9 minus 4, it means 5. So it will be 5th May 1999. Okay, how many years difference in there between my brother and my sister? So in this case, how many years difference? So this case, sister was 996. Here is only how many years, and now my brother is, how many years difference is there between my brother and my sister? So here is not actually mentioned, because can I take now in 9 days after when I was born, so this case 1999, it means 3 years difference. And in question has mentioned my brother was born in 2007, so 2007, and my sister 1996. This case difference is what? 11 years. Okay, so number C, it means question 5 done.